Hi everyone! Today for Sci-Fi keyboard I will use Design Magic. I will use KPACKS from Fog Creators from Loomer. I will use Averax from Wizard. I will use Technical Inserts. From Gabe I will use Just Panels. And from Villa I will use Detail Insert Pack and Control Panels. Also, of course, I will be using hard-ups and machine tools, but it's always. I have this keyboard here and I have this sketch which I did 2-3 years ago. This keyboard, this type of models we did together with Chip. Check a product we did together in collaboration. So let's go. Let's add a cube. Oh, screencast keys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's add a cube. And let's just move it around, as always. Let's just move it around. You can see what I'm doing. So Shift D to duplicate. Let's make it one big. Let's duplicate it, move an X. So we need to do a few base forms. For example, now we have a base form. Let's move this one down. Let's select all. Let's select this, scale that 0. Let's move it. Let's continue. Let's add some loop cuts, 2 of them. Let's select this one. And let's select this one, move them both. Take this one and take this one. And move this part a bit down. Now let's add this detail. Let's just Shift D. So we're just doing some basic forms. Extrude, select this word. Extrude one more time. Extrude. Okay. And let's add this detail, I think. Oh, let's move this part a bit on Y and a bit down. Yep. More down, somewhere here. Okay, so we have. Let's move it down. Let's select the bottom and let's move it up. I would like to add this one detail and this two. So let's just add a cube, scale it, put it here, somewhere here. Shift D to duplicate, scale on X. Let's select this face and select it. Okay, nice. Let's actually add these 3 spheres. So let's add quad sphere. I'll use hard-ups to add array modifier, like this. And last detail, let's add this thing. Let's use kit-ups. I mean hard-ups. Let's use hard-ups. Hop, 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 hop. Ta-da! That's it. Looking good. So now, let's select it all. Shift A, visual geometry to mesh. Control A, apply rotation scale. Now let's go to Design Magic. Now add meta shape. Whoa. Oh. That's not what I wanted. Let's go for 20. And here let's do 005. No, 009. No, 01. Smooth 30. 03. No. 02. 01. let's bevel some parts. For example, here let's add a bevel. Let's make these spheres a bit larger. Actually, let's delete spheres. Let's go to Design Magic KPACK. I think solids. Yes. And let's add this torpedo. Control J. Oh. Control A, visual geometry to mesh. Control J. Yeah. This looks much better, you know. Much better. Let's move a bit. Right. I would like to move this one a bit more up. This one, these parts a bit more down. Let's bevel this. And let's add a bevel here. And here. Looking good, I think. So now let's 25, 40. No, 25 voxel size maybe 1109. Yeah. Control A, visual geometry to mesh. Now let's add a cube. Let's go to edit mode, mesh, clean, limited dissolve, and let's change the 5 to 1. Now we can go here, select everything, mesh, clean up, limited dissolve. Let's wait a bit. It can take a while. So we have this. Now let's continue, add details. Let's go to dm minus. Let's take this line and let's start cutting. Let's select a word, Shift D, and E for extrude, and let's make some lines. Alt H, let's take this keyboard and place it here. So we actually see that we have a keyboard. Let's place like a screen maybe here. Where it can be? Too many KPACKS, too many KPACKS. For real. No, maybe. Widgets. Okay, so let's add a simple screen here. Maybe some buttons here? No. I think. Yeah, like something like this. Yeah, I think I like it. Okay. Let's duplicate this thing. Let's add a cube and let's scale it. Move it up. Scale on X. Move on Y. And let's leave it here. It's a little small detail, you know. Let's actually duplicate it and place it here too. Let's use a box cutter to do some holes in here and here. Let's duplicate this one. Place here. Move a bit. Now let's go to box cutter. Do a cut here. Do a cut here. No, actually, just here small ones and shit. Here two small ones. And here let's go for angle. Press this thing. Like this. Right. Let's just bevel this one. Let's not bevel it. Okay, now let's add some more details. So for example, we can add a detail here. Let's go to edit mode, E2 for extrude. Move this one up, extrude here. Let's same. I would like to do here. Okay. Looking much better, I think. Now let's place some inserts. So let's go. Let's use some screws. Where we can use them. I think here. Hold shift. Okay. And maybe here one more. We need something here, so let's go to maybe wheels. Yes. Let's add a wheel here. Let's go to edit mode. Let's duplicate it and place one wheel here too. It's all about detailing right now, so you can add literally any detail as you wish. So we just need to find some cool shapes That's why I use different KPACKS, so it's easier to find right detail, you know. Maybe some ports. Yeah, I would like to use some ports. Maybe, yeah, here. Here we can, maybe one here. And few here and here. Okay, how's it looking? Okay, I think it looks good. We need just few more details, I think. Let's do a cut here. So let's go to this line. Okay. Let's do one line here, I think. Sorry, but I'm not commenting that much. It's just all about detailing. There is not much to say, you know. I'm just detailing the mesh. Feel like we need something here, but I don't know what we need, you know. So let's search. Maybe some knobs. Yeah, some knobs. We need some knobs, like 3-4 knobs here. You know, like hop, and let's do an array. Let's add a camera. So let's find a camera, maybe arc. No, where was the camera? Widget. Yes, lens. Let's add a lens here. Yeah, sick. Let's actually do a cut here. Shift apply. Let's scale his face on X. And let's do more cuts. No, smaller, much smaller. I think something like this. Okay, good. Yeah, let's add a detail here. Let's delete this one. And let's leave this insert here. I think there is something. Oh, it will be so hard to find it actually. Oh, it wasn't that hard. Okay, yeah, this looks sick. Let's go to render view. Now let's add a decal maybe here. So I will use decal machine for it. Some numbers. Decals from Sir Charles. Let's make it black. On this one, let's use a material. These actually are free materials. Let's add a white material. Let's use a white material. I would like to use some glass for this one and glass for this one. Maybe for this one too. Let's change the decal. I think we need something more like this. No, something else. Sometimes it's hard to find the right decal, you know. Something like this maybe. No, not the case. Yeah, I think this one is perfect. This one is perfect. Yes. Amazing decals. Amazing decals. Maybe something here too. Some decal. Alt R. Maybe something like this. Let's sharpen it. Let's add a weighted normals. Maybe a little decal here. We can use oh, fits nice. Fits very good. Maybe let's add black plastic instead of glass. Let's select these two. Let's select this one, Control L, link materials. Okay, yeah, this looks much better. For wheels, let's add an orange material. So there is like, you can clearly see it, some variation of material. For knobs, let's use black one. Yeah. See, like this minor detail like changes everything. Now it looks much, much better. Just choo-choo orange, choo-choo orange, and it looks good. It looks very good. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. It's the most important, but you learned something about design magic. There was not much commenting, but it just making basic things, basic shapes, and then adding details, and then adding more details. That's it. Thank you.